Hello, mabuhay! This is Teacher Lourdes, and this is your course, Environmental Science. Our lesson 16 is Agenda 21. Our learning objectives are discuss and explain Agenda 21 and state the importance of Agenda 21 in a 2-minute video and cite things you can do to address environmental issues. Agenda 21 is a comprehensive plan of action to be taken globally, nationally, and locally by organizations of the United Nations, system, governments, and major groups in every area in which human impacts on the environment. Are you ready to learn? Let's have the lesson proper. Our sources are slideshare.net and Miss Amity University, Mumbai. Agenda 21 Sustainable Development for Travel and Tourism. What is Agenda 21? Agenda 21 is a non-binding action plan of the United Nations with regards to sustainable development. It's a product of the Earth Summit, UN Conference on Environment and Development held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1992. It is a comprehensive plan of action to be taken globally, nationally, and locally by organizations of the United Nations systems, government, and major groups in every area in which human impacts on the environment. The 21 in the agenda refers to the 21st century. What are the main focuses of Agenda 21? The first one, social and economic dimensions. Second, conservation and management resources for development. Third, strengthening the role of major groups. And lastly, the means of implementation. What are the social and economic dimensions of Agenda 21? International cooperation to accelerate sustainable development in developing countries and related domestic policies, combating poverty, changing consumption patterns, demographic dynamics and sustainability, protecting and promoting human health conditions, and promoting sustainable human settlement development, and integrating environment and sustainable development in decision making. What are the conservation and management resources for development? These are the following: protection of the atmosphere, integrated approach to the planning and management of land resources, combating deforestation. This is very important because trees are the lungs of our planet. So we must have many practices and uh, activities of reforestation. We must again fill the mountains with trees so that we can also increase the biodiversity of varied organisms. Managing fragile ecosystems, combating desertification and drought, promoting sustainable agriculture and rural development, conservation of biological diversity, environmentally safe management of biotechnology, protection of the oceans, all kinds of seas, including enclosed and semi enclosed seas, and coastal areas, and the protection, rational use, and development of their living resources, protection of the quality and supply of freshwater resources, environmentally safe management of toxic chemicals, including prevention of illegal international traffic in toxic and dangerous products, hazardous waste, solid waste, and sewage related issues, and safe and environmentally sound management of radioactive waste. Strengthen the role of major groups. The Global Action for Women towards Sustainable and Equitable Development is very important, along with the children and youth, their role in sustainable development, and also recognizing and strengthening the role of indigenous people and their communities. Also, strengthening the role of non governmental organizations, partners for sustainable development, local authorities' initiatives in support of Agenda 21, and strengthening the role of workers and their trade unions, and strengthening the role of business and industry, and scientific and technological community, and of course, the strengthening the role of farmers. The farmers who work every day to feed all of us. So, what are the means of implementation? Of course, we need financial resources and mechanisms. We need transfer of environmentally sound technology and cooperation and capacity building. We need science for sustainable development. That's why we have research, especially in college, master's, and doctorate degrees, and promoting education, public awareness and training, national mechanisms and international cooperation for capacity building in developing countries, international institutional arrangements, international legal instruments and mechanisms, and information for decision making. So, what are the tourism and local Agenda 21? Local Agenda 21 is Agenda 21 on a local scale. A saying is think globally and act locally. Tourism plays an important and often central role for many local economies, particularly in developing countries. Local Agenda 21 processes emphasize a cooperative approach to identifying the community's goals for tourism and creating an action plan to achieve these goals. The International Council on Local Environmental Initiatives, or ICLEI, estimates that more than 3,500 local communities worldwide are now establishing or implementing local agendas 21. Ensuring that tourism follows the sustainable path requires clear leadership from local authorities and an efficient mechanism that involves all of the stakeholders, the local private sector, NGOs, citizens, and other players. The sustainable tourism development meets the needs of present tourist and host regions while protecting and enhancing opportunities for the future. The development of sustainable tourism meets the following requirements. First, tourist resources, natural, historical, cultural, and others, are preserved in a way that allows them to be used in the future while benefiting today's society. The planning and management of tourist development are conducted in a way that avoids triggering serious ecological or socio-cultural problems in the region concerned. The overall quality of the environment in the tourist region is preserved and, if necessary, improved. The level of tourist satisfaction should be maintained to ensure that destinations continue to be attractive and retain their commercial potential. And tourism should largely benefit all members of the society. Why prepare a local Agenda 21 for tourism? This is to ensure that tourism planning and development address key issues relating to the economic, social, and environmental impact of tourism in the long and short term. Place tourism within the overall context of sustainable development and environmental management of the community, provide a framework for, and give legitimacy. legitimacy to and participation of a range of stakeholders in tourism and representatives of the local community, raise the profile of tourism and the tourism strategy within the community, and strengthen the position of the authority as an organization that takes sustainable tourism seriously with national and international support, and help the destination to attract the attention of visitors and tour operators keen to visit or work with sustainable destinations. The implementation of LA 21. These programs are often known as Local Agenda 21 or LA 21. For example, in the Philippines, the plan is Philippines Agenda 21 or PA 21. The group ICLEI, Local Governments for Sustainability, formed in 1990. Today, its members come from over 1,000 cities, towns, and countries in 88 countries and is widely regarded as a paragon of Agenda 21 implementation. Europe turned out to be the continent where LA 21 was best accepted and most implemented. In Sweden, for example, all local governments have implemented a local Agenda 21 initiative. So this is the summary of the local of Agenda 21. So these are my resources. Thank you for these resources. UN.org and slideshare.net uploaded by Amity University in Mumbai. Now it's your turn to take action. For our student activity, you will state the importance of Agenda 21 in a 2-minute video. Also, you will cite the things that you can do to help address environmental issues. You will submit this output to our Google Classroom in 3 days. Thank you for listening. This is Teacher Lourdes saying, Mabuhay!